Okay, let's learn to play this song by Darondo called Luscious Lady. It starts out with this little like bass line, and then I'm using a pick for this part. It's third fret, A string, first fret, A string, first fret, E string, and that repeats. Then I tuck away my pick and I play. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm going 3 to 5 on strings D, G, B. That's a C. We're using like an A shape on the 5th fret. And then I'm playing the top 3 strings and I'm playing that high E on the 3rd fret. So it's like 2 chords. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 6th fret. This is like an F shape, just on the top 3 strings. And then we go to the actual 1st fret and play the F. And then the only other part is, so we're at the 3rd fret, playing a power chord, C. Then we go to the 5th fret, play a power chord, D. We go to 6th fret, play an E flat. And then that whole thing repeats. What you got to remember is you're doing muting the entire time you're playing this. Like when you're doing, you're muting like the A string and the high E. And then when you go to that top portion, you're muting like the D string. Okay, and you can do that with both hands. All right, so you don't want any unwanted sounds or unwanted strings vibrating. Okay, have fun playing that. Thanks for watching. Bye.